I can do something that you can't. I can generate $1,000 to $2,000 a day each and every single day like clockwork. And I've been doing this for almost 14 years now, and so can all of my partners, customers, and clients. And to be honest, I'm pretty proud of the fact that if you were in my shoes, I bet you would be able to do this too. You see, as I speak to you here today, I can hand on heart say I've created a 7-figure business that runs almost on autopilot, bringing me in thousands and thousands of dollars and life-changing money for me and my partners. And I'm assuming if you're here watching this video right now that you can't do any of that. Well, at least not yet, because I don't say any of this to rub it in your face. I'm saying it so you realize why you should be paying attention, and more importantly, so I can show you how I can help you do that too.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, training courses, and anything that will help you make money online. Today I have yet another information product, another training course from the super affiliate Michael Cheney, and this is a 7-figure affiliate, a multimillionaire who has made a lot of people do make money online, and who has been able to be one of the greatest online marketers as we know it. And of course, this is a product that is called Partner and Profit. And Partner and Profit went live yesterday, the 31st of May 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. thereabout. And today I am doing the review because of how important I believe this product is. And of course, as I speak to you, this product is live, this training course is live, and I am doing it today because I know that it took me a little time to get buy the product myself and be able to put it out there. And this is my own personal dashboard. And as you can see, this is the dashboard of the very training. And if you stick with me, definitely I will show you before the end of this review my amazing bonuses for this product, and also show you through the sales page. Now, as you can see, we are inside the members area of this great training course. In a nutshell, this is one that is going to help you get trained affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, as you can know, is one of the best online, make money online business models. And of course, today he is putting all his ideas, all his experience into a training in order to give back to the society for anyone who is interested in knowing how to make money. And you are going to be held by the hand to actually get through the training. And now, before we go into any other thing, let us see exactly what the video talks about. This is the video you may have to watch when you eventually get a copy of this. And this video is so good that Michael Chen is explaining how this is going to work for you, and it's downloadable on MP3, which you can listen to at your convenience. Maybe you are in the gym or something, and then you can download this transcript and read. And of course, you can download this very video and attend all the orientation sessions. That is what you have with this very first video that you get here, which is called the Getting Started. Now, here you have the other video that you're going to watch. We are going to go through some of this, and this will teach you how to get a new Warrior Plus account, and how you can register this Warrior Plus account and get free account. And of course, here you have the link to the very 100% commissions affiliate link that you need to promote this product. It's a great product. This guy, about a couple of months ago, did a 7-figure affiliate system which sold over 20,000 copies. And of course, you can imagine the fact that this product is a high-ticket product, and which you can promote using this very front end if you buy this product. Okay, so you are being given the opportunity to promote a high-ticket business and make money with that. So it's amazing. And this very video you can download, and of course download the transcript and the video itself, and listen and watch on your television or wherever else you decide to do so. Okay, so it's amazing. This is the first time, one of the first videos you watch. And here you have step 3, get ready-made promos. Here is where you get the ready-made promos for this very product, and this is the video you are going to watch step by step on how you can replicate the results that this guy has replicated over the years, and be able to get making money online as soon as possible. So that's the video number 3. Step 4 would be how you get audience. And how do you get audience? Audience are the people that will eventually become your prospects and buy from you. So you have the downloadable version on MP3, the transcript, and of course you have the video download option there, so that you can watch on your television and study and implement exactly what this training is going to show you. Here you have the how to get your content, which is the video you're going to watch on this. You get how to get your content. This is the video that my micro channel is going to show you. It's downloadable on MP3, transcript, and of course on video. And see, once you implement everything that is taught there, definitely there is no way you will not begin to make money. Because the good thing is that it cuts away some of the hard work that people go through over years in order to figure out how these things work online. But he is trying to make it very easy so that you cut all those years of work and be able to implement this program. It's like giving you incentive to make money online. I mean, he is trying to use this product, I believe, to leave a legacy, so, and that's what you get, getting content. And here you have the video that will teach you how to get traffic, because without traffic, there is no making money online, as I believe you know. And of course, here you get the thumbnail blaster, link shortener, which is a link shortener on Attain URL, okay? Tiny URL, and you have the link cracker and everything. I have this product, I bought it for this reason. I bought it. Although I've been in this business of affiliate marketing for some time, but I bought this product for very many reasons, and those reasons, I believe you may have the same reasons to buy this product. So it's not going to be, this one is good. I can assure you of that. Now, the step 7 is getting sales. This is going to teach you how to get sales, okay? Now, it's business in a box that is giving you this opportunity, okay? You don't have nothing to worry about this. This is going to take you as a newbie, as a beginner, take you by the hand and teach you how to make money being affiliate marketer from scratch. It's an amazing product, amazing one, okay? So now that's what we have about this training. You can go there step by step, and you have the behind the scenes 400k premium partner pack, and then 10 times profit partners, scalable partners. These are all the upsells, I believe, which is what I'm going to show you in a very, very short time. Actually, at any time you are interested in getting this one, just click the link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine, where you can grab a copy of this with this link. And of course, any of these other blue links will take you to the very sales page of this one, which is this, and you are able to actually begin to get a copy for yourself using any of the downloadable buttons there, which is going to come up in a short while now. Any of these ones will take you to the checkout page on my Warrior Plus account. When you do checkout on my Warrior Plus account, you will find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to this product using this green button, and under it you have access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you in a very short while. And before we go into the pricing of this, let me show you the bonuses that I have lined up for you. My bonus number 1 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, a crazy one that you need to get. How to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice as an affiliate marketer. It can be affiliate marketing links and all that on any of the platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. And of course, my bonus number 3 will be how to convert your traffic fast, which is another crazy one, because the traffic you get needs to be converted, and there has to be a way to know how to convert it fast and be able to make money. Now, my bonus number 4 will be how to create free professional websites, which is teaching you how to make websites within a very short time from scratch, professional ones that you can sell on any of the marketplaces where you can render services to people for cost. And my bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses as usual, and then that takes care of all the bonuses that I have for you, which you may be interested in checking out. Okay, now let us see the pricing for this one. The front end price goes for $9.95, and it gives you a complete affiliate business in a box, including automatic access to 100% commissions, expert mentoring, customer support, how to find an audience, and all the promo tools ready to swipe and deploy. Okay, includes downloadable video, audio, and transcripts like I've shown you in the members area. OTO number 1 will be the premium partner pack, which is $997, and you have the ability to pay 2 times of 98.50 cents, And of course, you have lifetime recurring commissions, consistent commission system, total email automation, 7-figure affiliate formula, ultimate profit masterclass, high ticket license pack, and 1K per day case study. And bonus number 2 will be 10 times profit partners. It goes for $97. And you have point and click profits, 10 times profit program, precision profits program, rapid profit planner, and bulletproof bonus bundle, and ultimate profit planner. And bonus number 3 will be the scalable traffic secrets. Scalable traffic secrets, which goes for $97 as well. It gives you rapid traffic machine, ultimate authority engine, total traffic takeover, marketing money metrics, and of course a secret of scale and customer conversion system, laws of leverage. And here are the amazing benefits you may be able to read at your convenience. And that is exactly what I have for you on the pricing and of course my bonuses that I have shown you now. Let us quickly see the various sales page so that you look at all the sales testimonials from videos and from people who have been able to use this very 7-figure marketing affiliate system that he launched very some months ago, that made a lot of, it was a blockbuster actually. And here are some of the things you are going to read at your convenience. It's a very well detailed sales page, and you can watch all these very case studies from people who have been able to make money using this very system that he is promoting, trying to show you how to make money by holding you by the hand, over the shoulder tutorials on how you can start to make money as early as today. And of course, this is exactly what made me buy this product myself, and I am reaching out this product on the members area through my own purchase of the product. So you can see that it's a very well detailed program that you are going to read at your convenience and be able to get started as early as possible and begin to know how you can start from scratch to make money online using the affiliate marketing business model. Okay, so with that said, we are definitely almost coming to the end of this one, and like I said, at your convenience you will be able to go through this one and see. I am convinced that if anybody wishes to make money online, this may be the very program that you need to do so. Okay, so this is it. This is where we are going to call it an end of this review. If you are new to my channel, I would suggest you subscribe, like my channel, use the bell button for notifications, and of course share this video so that so many people will have the opportunity to actually begin to know how to make money using this amazing training course that I am convinced will make you money and teach you how to make money. Because you can give a person a fish, and after some time he gets hungry or she gets hungry. When you show that person how to fish, definitely he will never bother you again. And like that, wealth is extended, beyond every nooks and corners of this world, and that means we'll have a very peaceful world. This is my message for you today, and of course I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. It's goodbye, guys.